And Puneet asks, would be interested in the reinsurance industry. How can we use these reports given the focus on near-term risk and climate variability? How does and climate variability plays a larger role than climate change? Yeah, that's actually a really interesting point. So I think one thing that I've always wondered for a while is how do you think about climate change in insurance policies? Because most insurance policies last 1 year. So you can choose to non-renew. I think this all goes to future planning. And I actually would love to hear more from the reinsurance industry on how they think about climate change, because it's actually an interesting question. Are they really just thinking things year by year? Or do they think about the fact that, it's the year 2025, maybe the year 2026 now, even though climate change hasn't yet occurred in the Northeast, we now know Cat 1s are going to have an outsized effect because of sea level rise. Does there come a point when they stop wanting to write policies that are heavily focused in the Northeast? And that's my conjecture. This is where I actually think it'd be a good topic, maybe a roundtable that we could do that talks about not just how primaries and brokers think about climate change, but how do reinsurers think about climate change? That's actually where I'm a bit less educated. So I think thank you for asking that question, Puneet. That points at an area that we could have a future topic.